Are women entitled to the same legal remedy as men in India? Yes, in constitutional principle, women are entitled to the same legal remedy, protection, and seriousness from the legal system as men. Article 14 says, "The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or equal protection of the laws." That applies to women fully. So if a woman goes to the police, approaches a court, challenges unfair treatment, or seeks legal protection, the Constitution does not place her in a lower position than a man. This is important because legal equality is not only about rights written on paper, it is also about access to remedy. A right has very little value if the person who suffers harm cannot effectively use the legal system. So when we ask whether women are entitled to the same legal remedy as men, the deeper answer is this: women are entitled to the same constitutional respect in the process of seeking justice. Their complaint is not supposed to be treated as weaker, less serious, or less worthy of action simply because they are women. For example, if a woman is harmed by violence, harassment, unlawful discrimination, or arbitrary state action, she is entitled to approach lawful institutions for remedy. That can include the police, the courts, legal aid systems, or other legal authorities, depending on the situation. The constitutional basis for this comes from equality before law and equal protection of the laws. In simple terms, the remedy mechanism of the state is not supposed to work more strongly for men and more weakly for women. It also means that public authorities cannot lawfully assume that a woman should quietly tolerate injustice, family pressure, social pressure, or abuse without remedy. The Constitution recognizes women as full legal persons. So if a wrong has been done, the legal system is expected to respond to her as it would respond to any other citizen seeking lawful redress. This is part of what equal protection really means in practice. At the same time, Indian constitutional law also recognizes that sometimes equal remedy in real life may require support structures that respond to women's actual conditions. That is why the Constitution also allows special provisions for women under Article 15 Subclause 3. So the law does not only promise equal remedy in an abstract sense, it also allows women-focused protections where necessary to make access to justice more meaningful and effective. This means women are not expected to seek justice in a system that ignores social reality. If barriers, danger, exclusion, or structural disadvantage make legal remedy harder in practice, the Constitution allows the state to create support-based protections. But the core principle remains the same. Women are entitled to justice, not a weaker version of justice. So in simple words, yes, women are entitled to the same legal remedy as men. The Constitution does not permit a lower standard of justice for women. It requires equality in legal status, equality in protection, and seriousness in legal response. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.